So today I'll be unboxing the Kono bohemian style kind of curtain. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you. This is a macrame wall hanging, and it gives you that, you know, bohemian look that you're looking for. You can see it's all woven, almost looks as if it's hand stitched in there. So this can be used as a curtain. You can also hang this on the wall as a decorative piece. You can use it for weddings, you can use it for entryways, and it's so durable. It's very, very durable. It has this kind of yarn look to it, but it's all made out of cotton, so of course it'll be easy to wash. The color that I have is like ivory color, and the theme of it is like a wedding theme. So you can see the design pattern of it, so it's like a wedding theme. So I'm going to use this as my closet curtain. So this is what it looks like at the entryway. You can see it's really, really elegant, really, really beautiful.